So, good afternoon to all. My name is Saiju David. I am your social teacher. Today we are going to discuss about the first lesson, seventh class, first lesson. Actually, this is one of the revision also because you already learned about the map about in sixth class and in the previous classes. So we are starting with the map because the first lesson is about mapping. Before itself, let us discuss about the textbook. Our textbook is designed by our authors and included geography, economics, history, and civics. That is a four different part. Again, the textbook is also designed and included with six academical standards. Six academic standard. So whenever an examiner text you, they will be tested by the help of the academic standard. Whether did you understand this academic standard? Don't fear about this academic standard. SAR is talking differently something. So see, what is academic standard? The first academic standard is conceptual understanding. Conceptual understanding. So this is also one of the concepts. Our first lesson is belongs to that particular concept. What is the concept? Mapping or maps or learn about the map. Okay, so in the conceptual understanding and this mapping is also included the fifth academic standard. Map, locate the places, different places. So anyway, see this concept. What is the concept in this particular lesson? Some symbols or scales or some particular measurement is used in the map. By the help of that particular measurements or scale or the different symbols, we can learn or read the map. That is a concept. Second, what will be checked in the exam? They will also check whether do you know about the places or are you able to locate the places. So two different academic standards will be tested by the help of the map. So our first lesson, reading map of different kinds. Reading map of different kinds. What do you mean map? What do you mean map? Sanish. Can you define what is map? Sanish.
Sir.
Sanish, good afternoon. Are you able to define map?
Sir.
What is map according to your knowledge? What is map?
It's tell route, sir.
Once again.
It's tell route.
Maps. I'm asking about maps. What is a map? Map and A. Okay, anyway, it's good because you attended or you are ready to answer for. That's very good. If you have any mistake, we will clarify. Okay, see, what is a map? Just we can define map. Map is a picture or image which is drawn on a flat surface. Map is a image or picture which is drawn on a flat surface. Okay, Sanish? Did you understand what is a map? What is a map? Map is a picture or image which is drawn on a flat surface. Okay, so reading map of different kinds. So our agenda or aim to enable the learners to understand map of different kinds. That is our aim. And agenda, map. We are going to discuss about map, symbol, contour line, physical map, political map, thematic map, scale, direction, and sketch. Here also, from this lesson, I collected some important words, keywords. It is called as keywords or technical words. Please take that screenshot and find out the meanings. Then it may be you may get a better understanding. Phenomena: measure, construct, hide, contour, represent, interpret. Please use a dictionary and find out the meaning of this particular word. Phenomena, measure, construct, hide, contour, represent, and interpret. These are the different keywords from the first lesson. So I said that map is a image or picture which is drawn on a flat surface. Here we can observe a map. It's an Indian map. It's an Indian map. And see, there are different kinds of maps also. There are different kinds of a map. What are the different kinds of a map? One is political map. One is a political maps. What do you mean political map? What do you mean political map? Do you know political map, Amina Begum? Do you have any idea about political map?
No, sir. If you tell, I can know.
Okay, so see, listen. So there are different kinds of the map. The first one is political map. Political map. What do you mean political maps? What are included in the political map? See, here you can observe some boundaries, state boundaries, and you can also observe the country's boundaries. So in the political map, we can observe some states or countries or any village or any district. So what I mean, if in a political map, we can observe some political boundaries. We can observe some political boundaries with the name of the particular country or state or village or any particular districts or any area. Did you get it? So what do you mean political map? Political map means in a particular country or village or any particular area described or explained in a political in a map. That kinds of the maps are called as a political map. Second map is a physical map. Second map is a physical map. If any maps are described the different physical condition or relief condition or relief features, that kinds of the maps are called as a physical map. We will explain later in detail. So the physical map means some mountains are there, plains are there, valleys are there. So such a different relief features or physical features on the earth that are described or explained in the physical map. Third one is the thematic maps. Thematics map. What are thematic maps? We can see that the populations. Different country has a different population or some climatical conditions, railway track or roadways, airways, waterways, such a way different themes may be explained through a map. That kinds of the maps are called as a thematic map. So there are three different maps. One is political map, physical map, and third one is a thematic map. We will discuss in the So here, why did I show this particular political map? Here, some of the symbols on a map, we are going to learn about how can we read a map and measurement. If we use a so our paper is not sufficient. It is not sufficient for us to draw because our paper is small in size and place or the actual distance is very big. So it is not possible to convert the actual distance into a small piece of paper, same as it is. So what the cartographers done? They used one technique. What is the technique? They converted the kilometers into 1 centimeters. So here in this particular map, 1 centimeter is equal to 200 kilometers. అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనము ఇక్కడ నుంచి